great view from the balcony. I'm on the balcony today, walking, like breathing in fresh air. I already was downstairs, and now I just got upstairs, and I've decided to be a little bit on the balcony, and then maybe I'll be relaxing indoors again. This is my view. This is my look for today, my sweet look. I don't know. I have a new jacket. I have a new jacket. This one is black one. It's giving me like such a sweet vibes. Although it's a black thing, black jacket, but it still like gives me like I'm so sweet, I'm so pretty vibes. I thought it will be like more of a fashionable or something like a school thing, but they look so sweet. I'm like, oh. Last time I've been so like looked so sweet whenever I had something pink, like pink jacket, something pink on me, like pink jacket. I had pink jacket, so I was like this. I kind of like it. I like it, and also I like this thing. It's so very comfortable to wear such things if it's windy, and it's comfortable to like hop, and that's it. And I have this one too. The sleeves are very comfortable, so whenever it's windy, it's very easy and comfortable to wear such things. I like it. See you guys. See you.